Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a Mite vacuum cleaner from a company called Ranvoo. It has a dual vibration, dual motor, twin suction, 2x mites. It says it's a Mite vacuum cleaner. Even though I don't have mites, they're still really good for cleaning your mattresses and cleaning your sofas. And this is the box of it. There's not much on the box, there's not much info, but we have some specs right here. So if I zoom in, so Mite vacuum cleaner, the model is the Pro model, rated power 500 watts, voltage 120 volts, and frequency 60 hertz. The package size, obviously, and basically that's it. Just some manufacturer information, and on the side we have some slogans: redefining life with the power of technology, providing better living solution to 10 plus million users worldwide. So that's really cool. This is the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. And as always, we start with the small stuff first. So we have a safety manual right here. I suggest you give this a read. It will tell you how to use this in a proper way. We have a cleaning brush, solid plastic on the side, and bristles on the other side. This is for cleaning the brushes, I think. We have a plastic disc. I think this is to open the brushes to clean them further. This is the main unit itself. As you can see, it's corded. I think we got about 3 or 4 meters. I might be wrong. It's a pretty hefty length in terms of cable. The main unit has a cylinder where all the dust and everything else gets accumulated. So you can basically just twist. So if you twist, it will open, and then twist again to close after you emptied it. And if we have a look on the back, we have the 2 brushes right here. I gotta be careful I don't scratch my desk. So we have the 2 brushes right here, and that plastic disc that I showed you, you can put it in here, twist it, and you can take off the brushes to clean them further. And also you can take out this compartment as well. It also has a roller right here, so it will glide smooth on any surface. If we have a look on the front, I think we have on the front right here a display, but it will show better when it's plugged in. And right here we have the power button. Pretty much it's super straightforward, easy to use. All you have to do is just basically plug it in, turn on the power button, and you're good to go. So that's it. That's basically what you get inside the box. And for now, let's go ahead and put it to the test. I'm gonna go clean my mattress, even though my mattress is clean, basically a brand new mattress. But let's see if we can get any dust out of it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so everything is set up. The Ranvoo cleaner, it's plugged in. The cord is actually super big, so it will fit most of the scenarios. My mattress is clean, but it will still clean it even further because the suction on it, it's absolutely amazing. I already tested it and I'm super impressed. So this is the display. As I said, once you turn it on, you can see that the UV light is on. It basically has a UV light under right here, and it will disinfect, and it will tell you if it's dry or wet, whatever the surface is. It's got some sensors. It's really smart. But let's put it to the test. So this is empty. I'm gonna vacuum my mattress for a bit, and let's see how much dirt and dust is gonna pick up. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so just from this tiny area, as you can see, already picked up a lot of dust in its containers and a lot of fluff from the mattress, so the mattress will always look nice and clean. Even though you wash it, you can still use this after. You will get rid of the fluff mostly and the mites, because that's what it's for, if you got mites. And yeah, it's really good. Like, I'm actually impressed. Even on a clean mattress, you will still manage to do a lot of cleaning. As you can see right here in the container, there's already a lot of dust that's been gathered. And yeah, I think it's a great product. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the description below. They do other stuff. You can check their brand out. Again, the brand is called Ranvoo. Feel free to check them out. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.